So I'm about to make myself a late breakfast. I'm gonna have some of these hash browns. Now they're dehydrated hash browns in a box, and they're from Costco. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just gonna stick them in my air fryer and cook them up. Add a little bit of spray. I'm just gonna dump the whole carton in. I took the tray out. It's my Ninja air fryer. So I just took the tray out. It's right there. I'm just gonna dump my hash browns in. So you gotta put some water in the carton. Let it sit for 15 minutes. And then that's what they look like. Let's cook them. These actually turned out awesome. There's a little crunch, not too much. That's the way I like them. And I did add some seasoning salt. And it took about 13 minutes in the air fryer at 390. Now let's move on to the veggies. So I have a bit of a jalapeno left over here. I am wearing gloves because I always touch my eyes after I cut jalapenos and it frickin' hurts. So cut this up. The bowls that I love making are amazing because you can throw in whatever vegetables or fruit you have left over in the fridge. And they're delicious with any kind of protein or sauces. Cut this one up too, just a little bit. I'm making a breakfast scramble, an egg scramble. So I've already put my onions in the pan. I'm using frozen onions actually, because I'm lazy and I don't want to cut up onions too. Okay, so let's start this up. So I just sprayed my pan, added my frozen onions, my bell pepper, and my jalapeno. So add a bit of salt and pepper. We'll let that saute for a bit. So they turned out perfect. Dump that in my dish. And then I'll move on to my meat. A little spray. I've got one piece of turkey bacon left. It's butterball turkey bacon. Rip it in half. Okay, cook that up. All right, next is the eggs. I just got 2 eggs beaten. I'll scramble those out. Now I like my eggs very well done. I do not like them runny, and I do not like the white slimy. Kind of grosses me out, but I see a lot of people eating them half raw, which is like, whatever you like, go ahead. But I like my protein cooked very well. Alright, let's finish this up and I will show you my breakfast / lunch. Looks amazing. I'm going to add some sauce to it. This is Valentina salsa. It's a little bit of hot sauce, which I'm only going to add a little bit because I don't want it too spicy. and let's mix and eat. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. So I actually started cleaning my house and decided I was hungry. So I wanted to make myself a breakfast scramble, and it looks delicious. Show it to you here. Oh my God, it looks so good. Let's eat. Oh, the best breakfast ever. So this is kind of my go-to breakfast because it's actually pretty good for you. And also it's easy. And also it's a one-pan meal. And also because I don't eat first thing in the morning. So this is kind of a late breakfast lunch for me all the time. Because I have my morning smoothie when I get home from work in the morning. And then do stuff around the house and then come back and make this. And this usually does me until supper time. Before I go back to work in the afternoon, because I drive school bus, I do have like a piece of fruit with yogurt or something. But this is like my go-to usually. Sometimes I don't have the hash browns. It all depends on how hungry I am. But today I decided that I wanted to try frying the hash browns. Oh my God. Cooking the hash browns in the air fryer, which was perfect. It saved me a lot of time. But I have made a video on this breakfast before, but I thought I would make a new one just cause. By the way, I am on spring break, so I do have more time to spend on my channel and cooking delicious food. And I'm supposed to be doing stuff around the house, like cleaning out my storage room and stuff like that, or even just cleaning my house, which I don't like doing, so I don't know if it's gonna get done. Anyway, if you want to see more videos on me cooking, me getting the house ready to move into the trailer because it's almost RV time, and me just doing whatever I do, subscribe and you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. Thanks guys for watching.